Introduction to software. An operating system is a set of computer programs that manage the hardware and software resources of a computer. An operating system processes raw system and user input and responds by allocating and managing tasks and internal system resources as a service to users and programs of the system. Software is a set of instructions for the computer, which is also called a program, a series of instructions that performs a particular task is called a program. There are two major categories of software. They are system software and application software. System software is otherwise called operating system. It is made up of control programs like the operating system and database management system (DBMS), whereas application software is any program that processes data for the user like inventory, payroll, spreadsheet, word processor, etc. constitute application software. Operating systems have no user interfaces. The user of an OS is an application, not a person. The operating system forms a platform for other system software and for application software. That is, operating system acts as an interface between the user's program and the physical computer hardware. It is the master control program that runs the computer, which is the first program loaded when the computer is turned on. The application interacts with the operating system for all user interfaces and file management operations. There are some basic functions of an operating system. One is user interface. Operating system functions as a link between the user and computer. Before Windows and UNIX, it was based on the commands entered by the user. Second is data management. It is operating system that keeps track of data on disk, tape, and optical storage devices. Third is device management. Operating system controls peripheral devices by sending them commands in their own particular language. It is operating system that helps us to make these devices function. The software that knows how to deal with each device is called a driver. For example, if you want to operate something, you will have to install the driver software. The OS contains all the drivers for the peripherals attached to a computer. If there are multi-users for a system, each one needs a password to protect their own data, and it is operating system that provides password protection to keep data from unauthorized persons. The common operating systems, different versions of Windows, the versions of Unix, Mac OS, IBM mainframe OS, etc. Functions performed by an OS. One is booting, which means starting off a computer by giving proper instructions. Second is managing storage media, administration of any or all of backup, archival, disaster recovery, and hierarchical shortage management procedures. Creating a bridge between the user and computer in the form of language. It manages computer resources by keeping track of all available hardware or software components for a system. Other resource management activities by OS One is partitioning, helps us to virtually compartmentalize hard disk. Another one is foregrounding or backgrounding to give priority for the programs. File management, managing files on a disk by providing functions like copy, move, rename, delete, backup, etc. And finally, task management, managing various programs at a time or doing a number of programs at the same time, called multitasking.